No.
What are you doing?
Hey guys, it's Crystal. I was wanting to make a video of something that I'm going to show you here in a second. I have hiccups, and the only way that I can get rid of hiccups is by this. So I'm going to hiccup a few times just to show you that I'm not kidding. Yeah, so I hate hiccups, I really do, and I don't get them very often, but when I do, you know, some people can just drink water or whatever to get rid of them. So I can't do any of that. I can't just drink water or whatever, or scare me or something into thinking that I'm gonna scare the hiccups away. So here's my trick to getting rid of hiccups. A glass of water and a paper towel. Yeah, I know it's weird, but it works. So you put the paper towel over the cup and you drink it. Just like that. Here, we'll go into the kitchen. Seriously? Seriously? Alright, ready? Here we go. Alright. I think they're gone. It usually works, so yeah. They're gone. So that's my video, and I'm sticking to it. So yeah, you just drink the water through the paper towel and they disappear. I don't know how that works or why that works, and I forget who showed me, but it was so strange to me, and there you go. There's my educational video for the day. So I will talk to you soon. Alright, bye.